This is how you download Anaconda for Windows. First, go to the Anaconda website and go to their download page. Scroll down a bit and click Windows. Make sure that you're downloading the Anaconda for Windows installer. For this course, we will be using Python 3.6. Click the download button and it will start to download. Once the download is done, open up the Downloads folder and double-click on the installer to open it. That should bring up this Anaconda Setup installer. Click through it to install Anaconda on your computer. When the installer has finished, open Anaconda. You can find it in the Start menu. Once Anaconda has opened, launch Spider. This is what it should look like when you launch Spider.